Here's a 2015 Ford F-150. No matter what you demand, this pickup delivers. Its high-strength, military-grade aluminum alloy body and steel frame provides every bit of toughness and durability the F-150 is known for. But with reduced weight, it has an impressive engine, ample cargo space and storage, plus responsive handling and braking. It's no wonder there's so many F-150s on the road.
You're set to handle any job or haul any of your toys with the included towing package. Keep your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road with a Bluetooth. The trailer hitch receiver is a must-have to tackle any project.
This hard-working truck is ready to go. Come try out this built Ford Tough F-150 today.
For exceptional customer service and a large lineup of quality vehicles, come to 5 Star Ford Louisville. We're conveniently located at the I-35 East and Valley Ridge Exit 453 in Louisville.